Hey everybody, Paul and Houston Draper here with 2 Unreal Adventures. We're about to get down and dirty with some catfishing. We got those baits that we made up last night for you and had the video on. So we're going to show you our rigs, how we're using it, and hopefully catch some fish. It's looking a little dreary out there, a little rainy, but that's okay.
Should be all right. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
All right, guys. So now we're down here on the Oak. It's about mid-April. We're going to show you that that rig that we were talking about yesterday, the video with the catfish bait balls that we were doing. But basically, the rig that I'm using is very simple. You see, I got my line tied direct to my weight at the top, and then floating almost exactly the same length is my circle hook. For this, I'm using 12-pound P-line. I don't think any heavier line is going to be needed. I've pulled 12, 13-pound catfish out of here, no problem. Just got to know how to finesse them a little bit. But yeah, so we're going to use these bait balls that we made up yesterday. So I'm just going to take my circle hook, poke it through. That's about enough meat to stay on the hook. Toss her out and see what happens.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So, as of right now, we are fishing for catfish, and I set up a slip sinker rig. The sinker on the top attached to a barrel swivel, and then you have an additional lead line below the barrel swivel with a circle hook on the end of that. Well, I hooked up using one of those gauze ball cut bait setups that we showed you guys, and we're about to see how big this guy is. Probably one of my PBs right now, and it's off the bait that we set up last night. Can't go wrong there. It's
I was using the gauze ones. I've got the one using the netting, so again, that just proves they both work. We're just gonna see what we got here. Oh yeah. Nice little cat. Yeah, beauty.
nice. As you can see, guys, he is using the netting that we used yesterday.
Proof's in the pudding.
There we go.
Nice. Try that bait. It definitely works. Both rigs and both bait sets as well. So yeah, give it a try. Get out there because they are here.
He even ripped our net.
He even ripped our net. Look at this. Look at him. Big old belly. Alright, let's put him back. Man, what a gut. Alright, big boy.
There he goes. Just to get bigger for us.
Yeah, baby.